and then the breeze died down, and it made it more feasible to relax in on the beach in the evening, rather than when the wind is whipping across the beach, then because that's distracting. It makes elephants, just on an aside, don't like it when it's real windy. So if you see an elephant ever and it's real windy, don't go to the elephant. That, I mean, not, you shouldn't anyway, but that's a time that in particular you should not approach an elephant. And I'm talking about African elephants. I'm not talking about Indian elephants. There's a whole other issue with Indian elephants, which is more about their relationship to human beings, and that's